Namaste, Hari Om. I'm very happy that I would be starting the project Maitri with my very beloved dear sister, Dr. Sandhya Ramakrishna. I'm extremely humbled and blessed to have you in today's program, Sandhya.
Yeah, thank you, Smita. Thank you so much.
Sandhya has been having 18 years of teaching experience, and she has an MPhil degree in accounting and taxation, and she's a life member in NIPM. She has given many lectures, many guest lectures, and also she's in the placement training programs. And she has varied interests. Personally, I would say Sandhya is definitely an inspiration, a guide in the family. And whatever we are today, all of us in the family, I think she has a very, very big role to play. We see our grandmother in her. I see my grandmother's inspiration in her. I'm extremely happy to start today's program with Sandhya. Welcome to the program, Sandhya.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you so much for this introduction, what you have given about me. Thank you for getting our grandmother here
Yes,
because
yes,
again, she's my inspiration too. And whatever today I am is only because of her blessings, what I should
yes,
say.
yes, definitely 100%. Not getting emotional. Let's start our
Yes.
journey of Maitri. Well, the first question I would want to ask you is where do you think women empowerment is at this point of time in today's world?
Um, well, it's a question which depends on the woman herself.
Okay,
Uh, there's nothing that, see, some people may say, even though there is a women empowerment, still there are many women who, are going through that phase of violence or
yes, yes,
whatever it may be.
yes,
I've undergone that. And
okay.
what I would like to tell you is
Mhm.
it's not men who are creating this kind of, I'm telling, what do you say, this kind
Yes,
of, what do you say?
inequality or
Yes,
yes.
it's men, it's not at all men.
Okay,
It's
okay,
the woman herself.
okay.
In some case, it is another woman doing it, or
Mm-hmm.
in some cases, it is me as a woman herself who is
Correct,
doing this. Okay,
correct.
so as a woman, I feel that it's
Mm-hmm.
not getting empowered, it is
Yes.
getting your, as a woman, I feel that more than empowerment, it is
Mm-hmm.
self realization what is important for a woman.
Yes,
Okay,
true.
realizing that you're strong, realizing
Mm-hmm.
that you are independent, and
Correct.
realizing that you can do something is
Yes,
what a woman, I think, should start thinking
yes,
about. Okay, because
yes.
I've been in career, I've
Mm-hmm.
been at home,
Yes,
I've been with my in-laws, I have a family, I have my husband, I have my kids, and
yes.
also I have my parents.
Mm-hmm.
It's that, how do you balance so many
True.
relationships?
100%.
And apart from all that,
Mm-hmm.
how do you feel that you are yourself? Now,
Yes.
I, as Sandhya, is
Mm-hmm.
one entity. That's the major thing.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what happens is the word empowerment has
Mm-hmm.
been, what do you say, rather than, the technical term for what do you
Yes.
mean by empowerment, powering,
Correct.
empowering yourself.
Yes.
It can happen only when a
Mm-hmm.
woman can
Yes.
understand herself, a woman can respect herself. Now, until
Yes.
and unless that doesn't happen,
True.
I don't think all this woman empowerment, whatever they're speaking about,
True.
actually makes sense.
Yes.
So
True.
I must learn to respect myself. I
Mm-hmm.
see whatever I may be.
Mm-hmm.
I may not be as beautiful as Madhuri or
Sure.
Deepika. I may
Yes.
not be intelligent as as rich as Nita Ambani,
Yes.
as philanthropist as Sudha Murthy. No,
Yes.
I am me, and
True.
I think that. being myself, being
Yes.
what Sandhya is, what God has created,
Yes.
being that is more important. And that's the kind of, that's where I get happiness in,
Wow.
that state of mind,
Yes.
uh, can be achieved.
Yes.
I'm empowered. It's all depends on you.
True.
It all
Yes.
depends on your choices. It all depends on your decision. See,
Yes.
if you feel that there is no respect for you, first introspect whether you are respecting yourself.
Correct. Correct.
Are
Uh,
you respecting
yes.
yourself?
Yes. Coming to
Yes,
what
Smita,
you
you want.
said, women who are at home, many of my friends who are at home feel they're not getting enough respect from the society because they are at home, they're doing their duties at home as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter in law. They always compare themselves to women who are working. They think they are more powerful than what they are doing. I mean, they demean their whole environment in a way.
Okay. Now, currently, I'm working as a visiting faculty. 18 years I was into full time. Now I have opted for part time because of kids and
Yes.
their
Yes.
career.
Okay.
I would just like to tell you some. I'm a full time homemaker now with just 1 or 2 hours of career. That's it.
Yes.
I'll
Yes.
tell you something. The first problem with women is that they tend to compare with other women a lot.
100%.
This is
So true. True.
the
Exactly.
problem starts there.
Yes.
The problem starts when I start comparing my life with other women.
True.
No, I am unique. That's the problem with women. The problem with understanding yourself. The clearer you get with what you are, what your priorities are, what you want out of life, what is
True.
your purpose out of life. I
Yes.
don't think there is any problem that arises. In fact, for people, women who are depressed, that's what I try to tell them. See, understand yourself.
True.
I've not gone into many cases relating to family depressions, but I've dealt with a lot of teenager depression
Yes.
issues.
Yes. Yes.
Like, especially I used to teach for post graduation. So, girls between the age of
Yes.
22 to 25. So, what kind of problems they were facing?
Yes.
Of course, theirs is a little different from others, but the basic problem with women is understanding themselves, what
True.
they want out of
Yes.
life, what
Yes.
their priorities are.
True.
You're not clear about what you want.
Yes, I
That's
think
where
the
the problem.
the instance where you mentioned you're dealing with teenagers, maybe the age is such that even as a girl, as a woman, I was confused at that phase as to what is the right way to go about
Way
in
to go.
life. Yeah, because many of them, I mean, many, I did compare myself to others and said, okay, they're so modern in their thinking. Am I old school? Am I thinking 10 years behind?
No,
So
not at
how is
all.
the philosophy and how is the upbringing that's going to root us there and get the confidence like how you have in life?
Well, upbringing is has, of course, it has a role to play, but it has got a very small role to play.
Okay.
Why I'm telling you this is it's more to do with how you are going to improvise on your capabilities. I have a lot of mentors.
Good.
I have
Yes.
people who mentor me, not only academically, but also when it comes to life, taking up certain things.
Yes.
So, what I tell women is keep your mentors, okay? And if you are reaching that stage of depression, talk,
True.
talk, and talk to
Yes.
people. Talk to people.
Yes.
I don't have time for depression now because
Correct.
I'm occupied my mind.
Correct.
And one thing what you were telling about homemakers is, please, that's one of the most noblest jobs you can do.
Oh, yes. A big
Something that is,
salute to all our
yes,
parents, to all our
yes,
grandparents who were at
yes.
home, and we are here because of
Respect
them.
yourself.
Yes.
Respect yourself. Why do you feel that you are, you are nothing? And
Yes.
spending time for yourself is definitely not wrong.
Yes.
wrong. You can
True.
live a wonderful, life. I'm say for example, someday I'm saturated with teaching and
True.
learning
Mm.
academics. I
Mm.
give a day off for myself. It's
Correct.
fine.
Correct. True.
I live my life,
Yes.
and there's nothing wrong.
Yes. And
Okay, so
coming back to your work, your profession, and your interests, your family, how do you balance all these things so well in your life? Because they always say, if I'm good at work, my family is compromised. If I'm good at my family,
not at all.
my work is compromised. So
Not at
many, many, many girls or many women have this misconception that there is only one level of success.
No. When I was doing my PhD, 5 years, it's 5 years to get my doctorate. I had very, very specific timings. That means for a woman, of course, I teach management and I've been in the subject of management. Maybe
Yes.
because I've studied concepts like emotional intelligence, time management, I use
Yes.
these techniques in my life. Maybe for many they wouldn't have an idea about all this.
Correct.
Listen to people. Listen. I listen to a lot of Sadhguru videos. It can be, Shivani from the Brahma Kumaris.
Brahma
I listen to a
Kumaris.
lot of
Yes.
her videos.
Yes.
Her videos. Then Mahatreya. I listen to a lot of his
Yes. A
videos.
new
Gururaj
age.
Karjagi.
Yes. Yes.
I listen to everybody,
Yes.
everybody has their own experiences, what they
True.
share. If they have come up to that level, Sudha Murthy, I listen to a lot of her videos.
Yes.
I admire her for that simplicity.
True.
I follow that.
Yes.
Even if you take me to any kind of, I would rather say that women need to plan, and
Correct.
until and unless you don't plan, it doesn't work. When
Yes.
I go to work on Sunday, I have a time where for the whole week I plan what will be the breakfast, what will be the
Oh,
lunch, and what
wow.
will be the dinner for 1 week.
Wow.
And possibly for 2 to 3 days I cut vegetables and keep it in boxes and they are ready.
Wow. Planning is so
Okay,
important.
so
Yes.
that's planning is very important for
Yes.
women, and every hour is important for a woman. I go from 9 to 5. It's a 9 to 5 job, means I know as soon as I come back what is that I need to do. At
True.
weekends, what is my job?
Yes.
I don't have a special maid for cleaning. I clean the whole house.
Wow.
I'm very specific about doing that myself. It's my
Yes,
home.
correct. Let me ask you one
It's
thing
my
while
home.
when I'm conversing with you. I feel so positive, so motivated, such a zeal towards life. How do you manage to have
Yes.
that energy high all the time?
Um, that's because I believe in God a lot,
Wow.
and
Yes.
and as I told you, meditation means being that meditation, that feeling of meditation in every work you do.
Yes. Yes.
I would call it as mindfulness in management. I
Yes.
use a lot of that technique.
Yes.
Every job that you do, every single job that you do, you should do it with mindfulness, not as
Correct.
a task.
Correct.
You will not believe, while I'm cooking that full 1 hour, I say stotras.
Wow.
I never do that is without stotras, or that one
Yes.
hour I cook is always with
By the
stotras.
way, women who
So
are
I
listening to
know.
our conversation, Sandhya is an amazing singer, a classical music, and she's having amazing Carnatic singing skills. Maybe we can get another appointment from Sandhya for to listen to her
No.
singing. It's really such a divine thing, to listen her sing.
Yeah, I sing a lot of stotras, and Smita, there are times where I don't sing certain stotras because I can't. As soon as I start singing, I start. Tears automatically come
Yes,
down.
yes, correct.
I just cannot sing. That means to that oneness with
Yes,
God,
God, that connection.
it's
Yes,
a feeling, and
true.
that's what, and at every point, that's what makes me live. And the
Yes.
one thing I always believe is
Mm-hmm.
every day live as if it's your last day. I love
Wow.
that. I love
Yes.
that
Cool.
feeling,
Mm-hmm.
that day, the end of the day, I feel it's okay. Even if this is my last day, it's
Wow.
fine. I lived
Yes.
my life.
Yes.
I
Yes.
know that feeling that you get every day,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
it's very, very important. And when you
Mm.
wake up, it will
Mm.
be like, thank you, God, for giving me another day to live, for
Yes.
giving
So important.
to
Yes.
live. I'm blessed because I have my hands which help me, I have my legs which help me, I have my eyes which help me. Even if you don't believe in God, it's fine, but
Mm.
thank yourself. You can
Yes.
do that.
Of
Not
course.
that you have to
Yes.
believe in God.
Yes.
I'm not telling some superpower. No, don't believe in superpower. It's fine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Shouldn't you thank yourself today
Of
for
course.
supporting you?
Yes. 100%. Yes.
You have to, that gratefulness must be there, and
Mm-hmm.
thank people for every small little thing. Help
Correct.
them and thank them. Not that
Correct.
you have to give them money, not at all
Mm.
necessary.
Mm. True.
Helps to, I help students, if they have, I go an extra mile,
Mm-hmm.
helping students,
Mm.
or if financially, if they require some help.
Yes.
Time is something what you can give to
True.
people,
Yes. True.
especially elders, those
Yes.
old
Yes.
people, with old age.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to them, get their
Yes.
experiences.
It's
I
not even a discussion actually. When I talk to people, when I talk to women, the kind of problems they come up with, and the factor of depression associated with it, it's utter, I mean, not demeaning the whole situation what they're going through, but then
but they are,
they're
no, I something.
magnifying the whole
Yes,
situation.
and they are not understanding the higher purpose of life.
Yes. Yes.
If you remember, I had given you a particular, an example,
Mm-hmm.
the narrow lanes and the highway.
Correct.
My father always used to
Yes.
tell me,
Mm.
don't look at the narrow lanes, look at the
Correct.
highway.
Highway. True.
The higher purpose of life is important.
Mm.
It
Yes.
doesn't matter, yaar.
Yes.
The problem starts
Is
with they
expectation
start
and
expectation.
comparison. Yes. And
So
today's
those,
world, what do you tell to women who are about to get married? They have so many apprehensions in their mind as to what's going to be my life after marriage. Is it going to be,
I will not give the same advice as I followed 20 years back. Sacrifice and
yeah, yes, yes,
no,
yes,
I'm
yes.
not going to give them that. All that I'm going to tell is, nowadays, give space. That's where
Very important.
relationship
Very, very
works.
important.
That's where, give space.
Space. I think
Give
that's the secret
space.
to happy married life, right?
Yes, yes, and tolerate one another.
Mm, true.
Tolerate
Yes.
one another. Let go small little things. These are very, very, as I told you, no narrow lanes. The
Correct.
highway is
Highway.
important.
Yes.
The
So true.
highway, because it's not 1 year, 2 years you're going to live.
Mm,
It's,
exactly.
and one more thing is, see what happens for a newly married is, they feel that the other person should adjust first, the change
Exactly.
first.
Yes. Yes.
The other person also feels the same. See,
That
it's
she
then
should
when you
adjust first.
clap.
Yes.
Yeah, see, when you clap, it's both hands. So
True.
when there's a clap, both the hands are being used. See,
Yes.
if
Yes.
one hand is straight, even whatever the other hand does doesn't matter.
Correct. Correct.
So you should be this, you should be firm, you should be assertive.
True.
That's what matters in a relationship.
Yes.
What I all these years is, and of course, in my case, we both never had any issues. It was always others that the
Okay.
issues to come, and we used to fight for others.
Oh.
That's where I started realizing that actually there's no problem, but there's actually no problem that exists between us.
Oh,
So that
yes.
we need to, I started out with certain strategies. So we are very specific. We both, whenever we are having good time, we don't talk about others.
Good. Yes. That's
We don't
such a
talk
good
about
point,
others.
because many a times
Don't talk
when the husband has come back home, the wife
Don't
is
talk
like,
about others.
okay, you know what? She got a car, she went abroad, this,
Don't
that's when
don't
conversations. Mm,
don't talk about others. Talk about
yes.
good things. Husband is coming back from
Work.
work. How was your day? Shall I get you something refreshing? Is it real? You should, as a woman, you should have emotional intelligence. You should know what to speak, when to
What
speak,
not?
when to get
Yes.
angry.
Yes. Yes.
Those are all things that are not taught in school. But
So
you should
true.
know that. And believe me, Smita, the previous generation knew that better. That's why the kind of divorce rates that were happening were
Exactly.
less.
True.
Now, women are educated, but still divorce rates are more because they feel, financially they are earning
Independent.
means. Yeah. See, even if my husband was a chaprasi, I would have given him the same respect because he's given you
Wow.
that life.
Yes.
That's the kind of respect that you need to give to the other human being.
Oh, so
Don't
true.
humiliate your husband because he's earning less. See, career is totally different from, we are not marrying resumes here.
Exactly. So
We
true.
are marrying two lives here. And
Yes.
you are kind of adjusting to each other, living together for a higher
True.
purpose, and you're destined see, you're made for each other. So God has destined it. You
Yes.
cannot break that.
True. So true.
You have to go along with it. Of course, there are some serious cases where there is they ask you money, they
It's better
humiliate.
to part at, yes.
Yeah, it's better to part, that is
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
But not in cases where there are some silly reasons,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
you know, that actually has no purpose.
It
And
takes
and
minutes to
I,
part, but it takes a lifetime to, stay together.
I
That patience
so
level is important, I think.
yeah,
To
that patience
stay
is
patient
important.
and
And
not get worked
someday,
up. Yes.
see, I'll tell you, if you are with the best of your behavior, I think the other will definitely start understanding this.
True.
The moment that's what I've learned. See, third party, don't talk about third parties. You talk about
Correct.
your relationship, yeah.
Yes.
You talk about the goodness. Me and my husband have nothing in common.
I think
How
no
does that?
relationship is perfect. Like, I'm not perfect too. I
You
mean,
make
no.
it. You make
Yes.
it
Perfect.
perfect. You make
Yes.
it perfect. That's important. That's
True.
important. And I think, our girls today have confused being highly educated with being having wisdom. No,
No. Yeah. Being
there's a lot
independent,
of,
financially independent, and why should I
I,
compromise? And I think
because
every family has a different dynamic.
yeah, dynamic. You have to understand the dynamics of your
Your
family. That's
family,
what
yes,
yeah,
yes.
that's what a woman is meant for. See, don't tell man has to do that. Believe me, a man, certain things a man cannot understand. I'm telling you that,
Yes,
that binding the house, all
yes,
that intelligence women has. And I'm 100% I'm telling you, women are intelligent.
yes,
Women,
yes,
why do you feel that, okay, you can dominate your house, definitely.
yes, yes.
And Karjagi sir always used to say, "A family that eats together stays together."
Stays
That is
together,
something
yes.
which
So true.
I follow. So all of us during dinner time, we are all together. All of us eat together. We make it a point. So there are certain things. See, these are my decisions.
Yes, there is no
See, those are
compromise in
decisions
these
which,
decisions.
yeah, there is no compromise in this. And all these things a woman can,
Enforce,
compel the family,
compel,
yeah,
yes,
enforce it.
yes.
You can enforce it. It's
True.
like a law at home. You
Yes,
can do
yes,
that.
true,
Certain things for the family, you can definitely do that as well.
true.
So I feel that, the center force for a house being intact, a
Yes,
house being happy,
happy,
is
happy family,
all in the hands of a woman.
woman. Wow. Yes,
All in the hands of a woman.
true.
You can take it to dogs. You can do the best.
Best,
You
true.
can make the family happy. And believe me, you are happy, your family will be happy.
So true.
Like,
So true.
if the man is happy, no, the whole family will not be happy. But when
Yes,
the woman
woman
is
is happy.
happy, the whole family
Family
is
is
happy.
happy. True. Coming back to your
And
career, um, your teaching profession.
yeah,
Nowadays teachers, are so much in stress for every thing. Actually, there's so much of things going on: question paper, assessment, and online
yeah.
classes. And my clients as such, there are, I mean, majorly in teaching profession. How do you keep your calm at work?
I love teaching. That's the thing. My
You're
passion.
passionate. Yes, yes.
And it's my life. When I wanted to become a teacher, my Guru Raj Karjagi sir was my principal.
Wow.
He told that this is the only profession where you should take out of passion.
True. And I
You
think
know.
we remember our teachers so well. I remember my history
Yes.
teacher. She was Mary Ma'am. I remember her throughout. I think teachers influence students so much.
Yes, yes. And it's my life. So even one student at the middle of the night wakes me up and says, Ma'am, I have this doubt.
You
I'm
will,
always,
yes. Yes.
and teaching is something which I always look forward to. So if you give me even question paper setting and marking, I do it out of love. So
Wow.
if some teacher is telling that I'm really not, I'm stressed
Stressed.
out, I'm very sorry to say that. Please, if you have taken out this profession out of compulsion, don't do it. Teaching is one job. Even all 24 hours, if they ask you to teach, I used to teach for 6 hours, 8 hours at a
Oh my
stretch.
God.
When I do training programs, it's usually a day program, especially placement training skills that I do to students. It's eight
Oh my
hours.
God.
I don't feel it. I don't feel it, Smita,
Yes.
because this is one profession which I've always felt that you should do it of love.
I think the biggest
And
gift
this
what
is
students can give you is by their life blossoming in front of you. You would
Yes,
be so
yes,
proud to
yes.
see them.
Today, there are around 50% of my PG students are lecturers today. They are teachers today. Yeah, all my students, you name them, I go
So
to
good
this
to hear.
college.
Yes.
I need not change my identity to the place where I go. No,
Yes.
required. That is what a woman should learn.
Correct.
And that's
Yes.
empowerment. That's empowerment.
Yes.
So that's where you need to really build yourself.
True. Yes. And I have one question for you that is, I mean, that's a common question to all of them who come on online. So, what is the definition of happiness and success?
Happiness and success are two different words. Not all
Okay.
successful people are
Are
happy.
happy. Okay.
Okay, but all
Yes.
happy people are successful in their own way. Maybe they haven't got a Padma Shri award or a
Correct.
Bharat Ratna Puraskar, but
Correct.
happiness is in the mind.
True.
You choose to be happy.
Happy. Yes.
You choose to be happy. I chose to be happy. Whatever be it. Even if I'm in a hut, I should be happy. That it's the feeling of the mind.
Yes. Yes. That whole
And to
attitude
develop
towards.
that, yes, that you have to develop that attitude.
Yes. Yes.
Not something that, Smita, even if you have all the riches like Nita Ambani.
But
I don't know. I
this.
had a chance to interview Nita Ambani, but maybe if I would ask her, I would have asked her a question: Are you happy?
Yes.
I don't know. I could have asked Gauri Khan, "Are you happy?"
Correct.
I wouldn't ask ladies, "Are you happy?" If somebody asks me, I say, "I am happy."
Correct.
I am happy.
I think
And
mostly
definitely-
happiness is they relate it to monetary levels. Maybe the
No,
minute
not
you're
at all.
richer,
Not at-
the minute you're happier. It's not. It's
No,
not the
not
theory.
at all. It's just a state of mind, Smita. It's just a state of mind. It's a feeling. That's why I told you in your meditation, that 15 minutes should not be the thing.
Yes.
All 24
24
hours.
Yes.
The meditation is not just closing the eyes. Even with your eyes open, you should keep meditating.
True. True.
You should keep that oneness with God.
True.
That feeling you should get. That feeling you should get. Always that you are happy.
True. With whatever you have,
With whatever you have. And I'm, I always feel I'm more than blessed because God has given me something much more than what I had asked for. Things change, Smita.
Yes.
Things, you can never believe that what is there today is going to be permanent.
So
things
true.
are going to get better, and that hope is going to allow you to carry on life. That hope should help you, wake day and be lively.
Yes.
The more, see, it's a positive energy. The more
100%.
you're happy, the more you start being happier, then
Yes.
happier and happier. And then you reach that state of mind.
Yes.
Nothing negative affects me now. Nothing affects me because I've reached that stage. That as a it's not only that, enlightenment. Many of them say that Buddha got enlightenment. I don't believe, it's only Buddha. Everybody can get their own enlightenment
in their own way.
In their own way.
Yes, yes.
I've reached that stage. Even if you bring me 10 crore rupees, I don't get excited.
True.
Even if today there is something sad that happens, I don't get depressed. That mind has reached that
neutral, steady state.
Yes. Of course, reading Bhagavad Gita has helped me a lot. Listening to a lot of, as I told you, listening to a lot of lectures have helped me a lot. Those are only means.
Yes.
Many people, they'd say, I do a lot of yoga, I do a lot of meditation, I listen to a lot of lectures, but all that is fine, but that's only the first stage.
Yes.
Move to the second stage.
Yes, that is only a pathway. Yes.
Yeah, it's only a path, but you have to move that path.
Correct. So
it will only tell you which road to take, but you have to walk on that road.
Correct.
Without walking, you can't say, no, I'm not achieving. It doesn't happen.
Correct.
You have to put a lot of effort. That's why I'm telling you, mindful effort. Mindful effort. Not just a task. It's a mindful effort.
Exactly.
And that's where a woman has to elevate. Not empower. It's
elevate.
Has to elevate.
True.
You have to realize yourself. You have to understand the higher purpose of life. That's what is more important for a woman.
Yes, I think today's conversation has been so insightful. I can't really express because there are certain key points where you mentioned, and what amazing examples. And I'm feeling so positive, so energetic about life, and these small, tiny things that's happening around. It's just faded away.
Yes. So, Smita, as I said, whenever you're feeling lonely, whenever you're feeling depressed, it's for everybody. Always think about the highway.
True.
Always think about you traveling the highway. Just imagine the wonderful mountains. You should really see the Himalayas. Wow. I went to see that just to see the snow-clad mountains. Wow. Just think about that. When that's the feeling what you should get, that feeling of going that high. It's like as if you're climbing that. That's the feeling. I may not be able to physically climb, but mentally I'm sure I'm able to definitely climb that. So that should be your intention. Small roads, forget about.
True.
Forget about them.
Yes. Okay. Yes, and can't thank you enough because this is my very first interview, very first inspired women or inspiring women. I'm sure, you have inspired a lot of us. I myself, I'm feeling so positive today. Thank you so much for coming on this show.
Thank you, Smita. I should thank you. Yeah, thank you. I should thank you, and hope these kind of sessions with a lot of women, and get different insights. See, each
Yes.
one's life, as I told you, each one's life experience is
True.
different.
Yes.
So I think hearing from a lot of women, other women can get a lot of insights into
Yes.
the high of life.
Correct.
It's a very good initiative, Smita. I
Yes.
should. I'm proud, really, that
Thank
you
you
are
so
doing
much.
something like
Yes,
this.
I think
Okay.
women like you, we are existing because of women like you. I can put it that way, because whenever I am, feeling that feeling of loss, the first call I would do to you. So in our family,
Yeah.
it's like that. We have one person who can think neutral, who is
Yeah,
so
and always important that women has a person like
like
that.
that. Yes. So
Yeah, every woman must have a person like that whom you can immediately relate to
relate to.
when you are feeling lonely or depressed.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
something very important for a
Yes,
woman.
yes. I can't get a better start than this for this project, Maitri. I am super thankful for you today. You have come here and started this auspicious thing. I want to help as much as possible to all the women, to all my fellow women beings, to men also in a way, uh, for such an, life is beautiful once you have the
Yes,
attitude to look
and the
in that way.
eyes to see.
Yes, the eyes
Yeah,
to see.
the
Yes,
eyes to see.
yes. I think thank you so much, Sandhya. I'm very
Thank
grateful to
you,
you.
Smita.
Yes, thank you.